Hello, today we will guide you through how to share a Claude AI chat link. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main Claude interface, where you can access your existing conversations or start a new one. If you're not already in the chat you want to share, don't worry, we'll get there in just a moment. Next, look to the upper left area of your screen and click the option to open the sidebar. This sidebar is where Claude keeps your chat history, so opening it makes it much easier to find the specific conversation you want to share. If your sidebar is already visible, you can simply move on to the next part. In the sidebar, click on the chat you want to share. Take a second here to confirm that you've opened the correct conversation, especially if you have several chats with similar topics or titles. This is important because the share link will be created for the chat currently open on your screen. Once the correct chat is open, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click Share. This opens the sharing options for that conversation. At this stage, Claude will ask you to decide how you want the link to be shared. You'll then choose whether the link should be private or public. This setting determines who can access the chat through the shared link, so it's worth pausing briefly to choose the option that best fits your needs. If the conversation includes information you only want certain people to view, make sure you select the more limited sharing option. It's always a good idea to quickly review the chat before sharing, just to confirm you're comfortable with what others may see. After choosing your preferred privacy setting, click Create Share Link. Claude will then generate a unique link for that specific chat. This usually only takes a moment. Finally, click Copy Link. Once the link has been copied, paste it wherever you want to share it, such as in a message, document, email, or at a team chat. Before sending it out, it can be helpful to double check that you pasted the full link correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created and copied a Claude AI chat link to share with others. Following these steps makes it simple to send a conversation for collaboration, reference, or review.